Good afternoon, this is Bob McGuire with Silver Seas Yachts. Today we're taking a look at one of my current listings. It is a 2002 Cruisers Yachts 5370 with a pair of Caterpillar 3406 diesel engines. This boat is located in Redondo Beach at King Harbor Marina. The side tie is transferable, making it very easy for docking. It's also a great marina. It was just buffed and polished, and it's ready for its next owner. Let's take a look and see if this might be your next boat. We'll start with the aft of the boat. Back here you have a giant swim step, a spot for your tender, and a really cool feature is it does have a dinghy davit, making it very easy to get your tender on and off the boat. There's also various amounts of storage. As we jump up into the cockpit area, beautiful U-lounge seat with a removable table. There is storage underneath this chair and that chair. Your table does stow right here, making it convenient. You don't have to go downstairs for it. You do have yourself a nice barbecue grill here with a small sink. Various storage in both sides. Here's your AC unit. There is a refrigerator there. As we head to the helm, VHF radio, got your shifters here, autopilot, engine screens, chart plotter, and you do have a bow thruster, making docking very easy. Let's step down into the cabin here. Very spacious cabin. These TVs will be removed and we'll be installing some newer flat screen style TVs. Range, sink, freezer, and a fridge unit, coffee maker, conventional microwave oven. These bar stools right here are not fixed. You can remove them. Here you'll find your breaker panel. On the starboard side, you'll have this table with this giant lounge couch. This table will drop and create another berth. Tons of storage all throughout the boat. Up front here we have our VIP. Very good sized bed, lots of storage, hanging closet. This right here would be the day head. This is a separate entry from the VIP. As we come into the day head, very, very clean boat. Like I said, it was just detailed. What's great about these 5370s is full separate shower. It's not a wet head. Down here we have our master. Very good sized bed. Very comfortable. There is a washer dryer unit. And a walk-in cedar closet. There is a TV here. Will be replaced. And your master head. Just like the other one, separate shower. Very roomy. All right, let's step up back into the cockpit and we'll show you the bow. Alrighty, let's take a look at this giant bow area. Huge sun pad. The upholstery is in excellent condition. It almost looks brand new. You've got your anchor up front with foot controls. Very big area, perfect for when you're tied up on the ball up in Catalina. All this isinglass is removable, so on a hot summer day, you could take it all down and have the wind coming straight in, keeping you nice and cool. Alrighty, we're down here in the machinery room. This boat is equipped with a pair of Caterpillar 3406 diesel engines. These engines are 800 horsepower. They are the more desirable engine from Caterpillar for marine use. This boat's got 1,331 hours on both engines. This is definitely one of the most reliable engines Cat ever came out with for marine use. They're used in a lot of commercial vehicles as well. It also has a Onan generator. And all these batteries are pretty much new. They're all 23s. There are a few more batteries in another location. And that's a wrap. This is the Cruisers Yachts 5370 located in King Harbor Marina. For more information or questions, please reach out to me at the number below or shoot me an email. Again, this is Bob McGuire with Silver Seas Yachts. Thank you.